Hello friends, how are you? I hope all is well and your family is also fine. Today I will teach top level high quality proxy. What is uh, what is proxy scrub and how to use proxy scrub step by step trick. I will teach you in this video very easily process using the proxy scrub and how many countries, how many location proxy scrape is available, and what is the price of proxy scrape. Everything I will show in this video. That's so please keep nicely, and if you have to like our video, then comments and share our video. Let's get start video. Okay, this is officially website of this is officially website of proxy scrub. Then first of all I will show in this video processing sources and many type of the in this video. First of all I will show services. Services is a residential proxy and mobile proxy, unlimited residential and premium dedicated proxy and dedicate proxy. Everything is will be different and many type of proxy available in this website. According to your need, you have to buy in this website very cheap prices, and nothing will be breakdown, nothing will be connection loss, and very powerful proxy. That's so you have to buy and use on any type of multiple account handle, Facebook, Twitter, and more things. If you want to handle, then you can use it easily. Okay, suppose that premium share dedicated and processing also, everything will be I will learn in this video. Locations here 195 location I will explore all proxy locations. Okay, here two locations. Okay, Brazil location, United States location, and India location also, Mexico, Argentina, United Kingdom, Saudi Arab, Pakistan, and Indonesia. Everything's lot more countries and more country you have to get, and you have easily to information. You have to you your country is available or not. First of all you have to find, then you buy in this website. And also you have to any type of problem suppose, then you have to live chat support any type of question. First of all you place the email id and simply place enter, and then you have to chat customer support. Suppose you have to buy any type of proxy and not working or connection loss, many type of problem, then simply you chat to customer support and you have to share your problems, and quickly reply in this website, and easily to solve your problem. So that's all you have to buy and use it. Okay, then I will teach you in this website processing. What is the processing? Click here to simply, then if you have to routing residential, unlimited residential, premium dedicated center, mobile proxy, and many type of proxy. Okay, first of all I will processing is routing residential proxy. If you have to buy 30 days plan, then 5 GB is 2.85 every GB, 10 GB plans 2.85 per GB, and best deals is 20 GB prices is 2.65. If you have to buy 40 GB plans, then 2.65 every GB. Okay, and if you have to buy 60 days plan, then simply click to 60 days plan. Is processing is high. You have to watch 3.05, 3.05, 5 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB, and 40 GB. If you have to buy 90 GB plan, then also you have to 90 GB plan. No expiry. If you have to buy no expiry, it means lifetime validity. If you have to buy 10 GB plans, and today you have to expand 1 GB, and you have remaining the 9 GB, and you can use next year, after next year, after 40 days, after 60 days, nothing will be expired. Nothing will be expired. You have use only for data is not finished, then you can use easily, usually every type of proxy. Okay, and unlimited residential proxy, simply click 1 day unlimited. If you have to buy unlimited proxy, nothing will be data, then you have to 200 mbps, 1000 mbps, then processing is like this, something unlimited residential proxy validity is only for 1 day. If you have to buy the 7 days validity unlimited residential proxy, then processing is 9933, and also 30 days validity is unlimited proxy. You have to pay to 2630 dollars. Okay, this is a processing of unlimited residential proxy. And suppose you have to buy premium dedicated proxy, then you have to 250 GB, 1 TB, 5 TB unlimited. Then you have to processing is all location. If you have only for buy the Canada, then simply proxy to Canada and all location, then you have to buy all location. Validity is 1 day, 1 week, 2 week, and 1 month. You have to according to choice, according to need, you have to selected. Here the prices is increasing. Suppose 1 week, then processing $10, 2 week, then processing $15, then 1 week, the processing is $25 every month. It is processing in vary. Then dedicated proxy also, and mobile proxy you have to buy, and many type of proxy. Now this time I will teach you get started. If you have to nothing will be account, then you have to simply click email id password, confirm password, then verify and sign up. If you have to direct login with Google, then sign in with Google. You have to created your account and simply sign in, click sign in, and you have to log in. And payment mode is Binance USDT, international payment, credit card, and many more payment method you have to buy and easily. This is very good website, very cheap website you have to use. Okay, if you have to like our this video in these topics, then please comment, give me a sweet comment, and like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Meet you next video.